Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be talking on the topic how to relieve stress. Easy ways to feel better when you're stressed. Sometimes, life can feel really overwhelming and stressful. But don't worry, there are some simple things you can do to help you feel better and less stressed. Let's check them out. 1. Breathe slowly. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes and take slow breaths. Breathe in through your nose and then breathe out through your mouth. Doing this can help calm you down and make you feel more relaxed. 2. Go outside. Spending time outside, like in a park or just your backyard, can make you feel happier. Nature has a way of making you forget about stress for a while. 3. Do something fun. Try doing something creative, like drawing, playing music, or even cooking. When you're focused on something enjoyable, stress can't bother you as much. 4. Relax your mind. Sit down, close your eyes, and think about the present moment. Let go of any worries and just be in the right now. This can make stress go away for a bit. 5. Talk to someone. Call a friend or family member and have a nice chat. Being with people you like can make you feel better and less alone. 6. Move your body. Doing exercise, like going for a walk or doing yoga, can help your body release happy chemicals. This makes you feel less stressed and more positive. 7. Plan your time. Make a list of things you need to do and figure out which ones are most important. This can help you feel more organized and less stressed. 8. Imagine nice things. Close your eyes and think about a peaceful place or something you like a lot. This can help you relax and forget about stress for a while. 9. Laugh a little. Watch a funny movie, read a comic, or spend time with people who make you laugh. Laughter can chase away stress and make you feel better. 10. Take care of you. Remember to eat well, get enough sleep, and do things you enjoy. Taking care of yourself helps you handle stress better. Just remember, everyone feels stressed sometimes, but you have the power to make yourself feel better. Give these easy tricks a try and see how they work for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more bite-sized stress relief content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take a deep breath and find your inner calm. Bye.